I'm a guest today of Leo Schmallenbach, economist at the University of Mannheim, and I want to talk to him about the role of female mentors in science. Hi Leo, good to be here. Let me start with the shocking figure. Less than 5% of Nobel Prize winners in the hard sciences have been women. Why is that?
Hi Marie, and thanks for being here. The shocking number you describe has two main roots. The first one is that there's too few women among the top scientists, and the second one is that those women who make it to the top receive relatively less recognition for their work.
What can be done about it?
A very prominent measure is mentorship programs. And we know, for example, that mentors, especially female mentors, help to bring junior women into the sciences and also into the top positions. However, it is very likely that the disadvantage that these senior women experience, receiving less recognition for their work, also affects their protégés.
How did you find out that juniors of female mentors are discriminated against?
So in our study, we look at a cohort of junior researchers in the US who have just started their careers. They are all promising and very high educated and highly qualified. And some of them have a female mentor, others have a male mentor. And then we look at their trajectories. How do they develop within 10 years of the mentorship program, and how is their research being received and recognized by the academic community? And here we find that those mentored by a woman receive 10% fewer citations on their publications on average than those mentored by a man.
Sounds like female mentors are a big disadvantage for juniors' chances of success.
The one to blame is not the mentor. The one to blame is the academic community. And if we dig deeper, we see that it's mostly the men that do not cite the work of protégés with a female mentor.
Last question. Have you ever not cited someone in a paper that you should have cited?
This is a good question. And as part of the male community in the science, I probably have, because the way in which we cite is highly biased. And this is a very unconscious process sometimes. And I think a good way to make yourself aware of this problem is to make this process conscious. And for example, I've now started to read through my reference lists to check, do I do justice to the many great women who publish good and relevant work? Do I cite them myself? This is something that I think we can all do to try to address this problem at a very individual level.